So let's start the question. It's a BITSAT practice problem. Fine. Of chapter. Basically, it's a chapter of heat and thermodynamics. Not thermo. Just write here heat. Thermo is not there. And in heat specific topic is calorimetry. Fine. So what's the question? Question is at what temperature the centigrade and Fahrenheit readings are same? At what temperature? So you know centigrade scale and you know about Fahrenheit scale. I will also tell you about Kelvin scale. Here it's a ice point and here it's a boiling point. You must remember this chart. Ice point it's a 0 degree Celsius and 100 degree Celsius is boiling point. You can either say melting point. Fine. And for Fahrenheit scale it's a 32 degree and here it is 112 degree Fahrenheit. Perfect. So if you see the gap is of 100 units. Fine. If you see here is the gap is of 180 units, correct? And in Kelvin scale it is 273 Kelvin and 373 Kelvin and gap is of 100 unit. You must remember this. So here is a formula when you use temperature conversion. I am telling about firstly about the concept and the theoretical part. Then we will go further to numerical. So from this numerical we will able to see how to solve the numerical and theory behind the numerical, correct? So concept is if you want to convert temperature from one scale to another, perfect. So how to convert temperature, you must remember this rule of reading, just remember the formula, minus ice point. Fine. Divide by में boiling point minus ice point. Fine. And here you can write equal to temperature reading, temperature of reading मत लिखिए, temperature reading, here you will write temperature reading. Fine. So temperature reading minus ice point, just a minute, temperature reading minus ice point, just give me a minute. Firstly I will make a space here. See, temperature reading minus ice point divide by में boiling point minus ice point. जी ये क्या लिखा आपने, दोनों तरफ एक जैसी लिखा. देखिए क्या मतलब क्या है इसका, मतलब समझने की ट्राई करिए. ये वाली जो कहानी है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की, ये एक स्केल की कहानी है और ये फर्स्ट स्केल की कहानी, ये सेकंड स्केल की कहानी. I will show you with this question how we must proceed. So suppose कीजिए I will tell you one question. Suppose कीजिए you have to convert just a minute. You have to convert 40 degree Celsius is how many Fahrenheit? Correct? How many Fahrenheit it will become? So I will use temperature reading here written. Find temperature reading, that's of 40 degree in one scale. Ice point of centigrade scale is, here it is written 0 degree, and boiling point is 100 degree Celsius. Fine. So 40 degree minus 0 degree and boiling minus ice, which is gap, that is 100 unit. Fine. And here we will use Fahrenheit scale. Here I use centigrade scale, and in which unit you have to convert, you will use here Fahrenheit scale. Fine. So temperature reading in Fahrenheit I have to calculate minus ice point is 32 degree Fahrenheit sorry, and boiling point is 212 minus 32, which is 180, right? So 40 by 100, right? F minus 32 is 180, correct? So it's come out to be 18 into 4 cross multiply F minus 32, it's 272, 72, correct, plus 32 will gives you F value. It's a 410. So 104 degree Fahrenheit is the value of 40 degree. 104 degree Fahrenheit, correct? So now come to the question. What is asked in the question? You got the point. At what temperature the centigrade and the Fahrenheit reading are same? किस टेम्परेचर पर दोनों की रीडिंग सेम है? We have to calculate this. So here no space left, so I will erase this much part. Fine, I have to erase this much part. So it's fine. So now at what temperature? So T minus ice point is 0 and its gap is 100, correct? एंड दूसरे स्केल में भी टेम्परेचर सेम बोला है 32, गैप इज 180, और यू कैन राइट T minus 32 is 212 minus 32, you will get 180, right ना? So I have used it direct. Fine, बड़े हो गए हो आप. So it comes out to be T by 10 into 18 equals to T minus 32. Fine, so it's come out to be just 18T by 10 minus T. Okay, just switch it from here. नहीं ठीक था. 18T by 10 minus T equal to minus 32. So it's come out to be 8T by 10 minus 32. So 4. So T comes out to be minus 40. और वो it can be degree centigrade, it can be Fahrenheit. You got it point. So answer is, what will be the answer? minus 40 पर, तो suppose minus 40 पर दोनों की वैल्यू सेम होंगी. Got it? You got it ना? minus 40. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, this is the question. So see you in next video. तब तक के लिए बिटसेट प्रॉब्लम की एक प्लेलिस्ट है, उसको चेक करिएगा. ठीक है, जेई मेंस का भी पेपर आ रहा है, उसमें भी आपकी काफ़ी हेल्प होगी. ये जेई मेंस लेवल के ही क्वेश्चन है. अब राइट नाउ बिटसेट इज मैचिंग द लेवल ऑफ जेई मेन. सो इफ यू try the question of JEE main also, then BITSAT will be easy for you. And if you are targeting for JEE main, then BITSAT should BITSAT level of question you must know. Fine na? So see you in next video.